Look at these two candles. One moves up, one moves down, yet both tell the same story. Most traders see color, professionals see commitment. When activity dries up, the chart starts whispering. It's either no demand or no supply. These aren't random pauses, they're messages from the professionals who move the market. In this lesson, we'll decode what those quiet candles really mean, and why they often appear before major turning points. A no-demand bar forms in an up move when professional money has no further interest in higher prices. Notice how each new up bar spreads narrower, and volume falls away. Volume is the effort of buyers, price spread is the result. So, falling effort with a smaller result means only the public is buying. Smart money never chases rising markets, they sell into them quietly. You'll often see no-demand bars at or near resistance, after a rally built on excitement. It doesn't scream, sell, yet, it simply warns you the professionals have stepped aside. The mirror image is no supply, appearing as the market falls, but the selling pressure dries up. Each red candle becomes smaller, volume declines, and yet price no longer makes real progress lower. This is absorption, professionals quietly buying the panic selling from weak hands. It's not confirmation of a reversal by itself, but it tells you the market is ready to test strength. You'll see this at the tail end of downtrends, that calm before the first spring candle appears. Volume is the market's heartbeat, every bar shows the effort made to move price. When volume and price both contract, the market is running out of breath. Professionals call this a resting phase, energy is being absorbed or withheld. Think of it like a marathon runner slowing near exhaustion, before deciding whether to stop or sprint again. When you see price moving sideways with declining volume, the market is gathering energy. It will soon decide, strength or weakness, and that decision will show through the next expansion in both volume and spread. Here's a classic trap. The public sees strength, free rising candles, but the professional sees fading demand. Volume is light, the up bars are narrow. Then suddenly, one wide red bar on ultra-high volume collapses the move. That's the smart money unloading inventory into late buyers. The low volume rally lures them in, the high volume drop clears the table. Recognizing this pattern early prevents you from buying the very top. Now the opposite, a no supply spring. Each red bar shows less and less selling effort, and then a single green candle surges upward on high volume. This is professional accumulation in action, the transfer from weak holders to strong ones. You'll often find it at the base of accumulation zones, or at the end of a shakeout. The spring candle closes above prior resistance, confirming strength. Here, falling volume signaled the preparation, the sudden surge revealed the truth. No demand and no supply are quiet footprints of professional money. They appear when momentum fades, long before retail traders notice. If you can read these subtle signs, you'll stop reacting and start anticipating. Volume is not noise, it's the language of the market. Learn to read it, and you'll trade with the professionals, not against them. Subscribe to Compound and Conquer, and keep sharpening your eye for the story behind the candle.